Hi, my name's Matt. I live in Nottingham and I live in a detached 3-bedroomed house in which I live on my own with a fairly small garden. I was talking with some of my friends who've got families and they were telling me that their water bill was considerably cheaper than mine and told me to ring Severn Trent and ask to be put on a meter. I was concerned about going onto a meter to start with, but my water bill per month reduced by a quarter, which was fantastic, so I was really pleased with that. The installation process for me was very easy because I had already the smart meter installed, so I had to do virtually nothing. It was all done electronically for me by Severn Trent. I've carried on using water as I did before, and I think anybody ought to investigate getting a smart meter, A, because it allows you to track your water usage, and B, it could significantly reduce your bill, which has got to be a good thing for everybody.